So here's a question. How many different tools are you using right now to run your e-commerce business? Now you've probably got Shopify or WooCommerce for your store, Stripe and PayPal for payments, and maybe Oberlo or Spocket for dropshipping. Then it's Canva for product images, it's Google for analytics, and you get the idea. You're paying for all of these tools separately while spending hours just to make them work together successfully. Well, what if I told you that there's one single AI tool that generates a complete functional e-commerce store with payments built in, product selection handled by AI, and everything ready to use and integrated the moment that it's created? So that's Genstore, and in this video we're going to walk through a complete demo of the platform so you can understand, number one, the fundamental shift in e-commerce that I believe is happening right now, and number two, you can walk away and actually do this yourself. And we're not talking about templates or website builders here. This is AI fundamentally altering how we can all go about e-commerce and business and marketing. It's going to be a fun one, so let's dive into it. And so just again to frame the problem here, and you may already know this if you're deep into the space, here's kind of the fragmentation problem that we're currently looking at in e-commerce. So number one, you need to build the store, and you're either using Shopify and paying 30 bucks a month or a lot more than that, or you're building on WooCommerce and you're dealing with hosting and plugins and security. So it's either expensive or it's technical and you're spending weeks just setting up the basic infrastructure. Then you need to integrate payments, which is a big hassle on the verification side because you need a business, you need all these tax documents, and a lot of people just get banned or something happens there that also delays them by on an order of weeks. Then third, you need to actually find the products, which obviously takes a lot of manual searching through all these different platforms like AliExpress. And then fourth, you're probably not a professional designer, but you need to make all of this look good and be optimized for conversions, because half the reason a store is going to do well or not do well. So that kind of core fragment, so it's that series of problems that I think AI is really helping with, because fundamentally the shift here is that AI can just learn from the best practices that are out there. If you train an expert once, which is essentially what these agents or assistants are, then you can just copy and paste that into all these other stores, into product selection and so on, without having to go through some of those tribulations and just obstacles yourself. So that in mind, what exactly is Genstore, which again is the platform we're going to be looking through in this video. So it is an all-in-one AI e-commerce tool that generates a complete store and helps you find products from a single prompt. And so the big four things you'll get, number one is instant store generation. Number two is instant built-in payment processing. Number three is AI-powered product selection. And then fourth is complete infrastructure like hosting, inventory management, customer data, analytics, that whole world also generated and configured automatically. So we're going to demo those four features kind of in that order. And so that in mind, let's jump into my computer to get started here. Okay guys, so here we are in the Genstore dashboard. And just like you would use, ChatGPT or any number of other AI platforms to chat or to ask for something you want, this is a similar architecture, but for e-commerce stores. So you can just describe the products, right? Describe the store that you want. So we're about to do this in a second here. As far as the dashboard or navigating the platform goes, we can see various store examples here. And then throughout the other demos, we're going to start getting through some of these other tabs within Genstore. And so the first workflow I want to demonstrate is completely generating a store with AI. And what we're going to get here is a complete page architecture. So all the different pages on the site, also a site that is ready for mobile as well as web, and professional styling and SEO optimization. So this is the prompt I want to run with. So an e-commerce store for sustainable home goods, targeting eco-conscious individuals. I will call the brand name EcoNest Home. Let's go ahead and click send. And now what it's done here is chosen a selection of products for us to add to this store. And that's going to be step one of the 3-step process that the agent will guide us through here. You can also upload your own products, but these are honestly great for this kind of store. So I'm going to go ahead and add reusable towels, B-wrap. Let's go with reusable cleaning gloves, laundry balls, and a household storage box as well. And we'll click send. And now we can see the agent going ahead and writing the code to set up the store. Okay, so we can see the store is done here. We can scroll through it on the right. So we have our products, we have products organized by categories and so on. And then we also have a contact form here. And at the top, if we click on the menu, and we can see here as well, right, the product pages, cart and checkout is all good to go as well. If we want to see the mobile version, we just click right here, and this is what it looks like on a phone, we can go ahead and click Explore Genstore. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click Share right here and then copy, and then we'll go to an incognito tab. And you'll see that this is already live on this link. So here's the full proper demo of it. We can go ahead and go to collections. We can go to the blog, which had a few actual articles written. And then if we go into products here, let's test out the checkout flow. So we can click on this product. Here's our product page. This is about what, 13 bucks. We're gonna click add to cart, and then we'll click checkout. And we have that fully operational checkout page. Now, this is the big second point that I want to mention, right? Which we touched on earlier, which is that the payment processing is fully integrated, right? We can express checkout with Google Pay, or we can go ahead and pay with a credit card. And so all the time and the verification, etc., that's involved in Stripe or PayPal or setting any of those up, or WooCommerce, don't get me started on payment processing on WooCommerce, just went away, right? This fully works from the get-go. It's set up and we'll receive those funds once people order in the Genstore. So let's go ahead and close out of that. And now I want to show you a few of the accessory features here. So this was home. And then if we go to store right here, then we can see in this store the themes that are present. So right now it's on the perspective theme library. If we want to change out the full theme, we can just go ahead and click add and it can change it to any of these. We can also, of course, customize that theme. So things like, fonts and the color set and so on by clicking customize. And this is the full editor. So just like with any, Shopify store, with anything on WordPress, we can go ahead and we can edit this as we would like. And then editing the color sets is going to be right in here. The theme design, so things like logo, right? Brand elements right here, also brand information. And then we can add applications within our store that we want to integrate here. So now we're going to dive into the drop shipping side of it, which is more so the AI product selection and the products that are available as a whole. And this is the key, right? This is what I've touched on, where the payment methods are live, payment integration is automatic, and then we'll get paid automatically. And we don't have to deal with the fulfillment because this is, drop shipping. So if you want to custom add any products to your store, you can just search for them here and then just click push product and confirm, and that will be pushed to your store. Now that right there is the core flow, and it didn't take that long to show you because it is very simple, it's intuitive, and it's designed to be. That is the whole point. You can use AI, and within a few minutes, you can have a full store set up. But now everything accessory to the store setup is also self-contained within Genstore. So what we can do here is set up the domain, so a custom domain that's fully within Genstore. We can set up shipping options that we would like, and then also right here is our one store, which is the default name of minimal impact right now. But we can create lots of stores. And I think one of the big applications of a system like this is because AI makes the front end or the setup of this so seamless and easy. If you want to just rip on 10, 20 stores, set them up in one day, and then go test a lot of different products or ads or variations, whatever it may be, you could do that because it doesn't take 12 hours to set up a store. It'll take 5-10 minutes for you to set up and test each of your ideas, and then you can go focus on the marketing side of it. That in mind, speaking of, you may have seen the marketing and analytics tabs right here, and that's also self-contained within the Genstore platform. If we click on marketing right here, we can see standard analytics at the top, but then the important part here are these marketing tools. So SMS marketing, social media marketing, email, and then marketing automations. And this is something we touched a lot on in other videos, so I won't go too deep. And this is something we talk a lot about in other videos, so I'm not going to go too deep into those flows in this one, but these are the kind of tools that make it easy within the one platform to do things like email and SMS marketing well. And then under sales channels as well, this is a pretty cool feature I want to touch on, which is the AI agent. And this is an agent that helps people shop so they can just basically chat with the store that'll guide them toward purchasing decisions and answer all of their questions. And then we can also see TikTok, which we recently touched on TikTok Shop quite a lot, that you do this. TikTok Shop is massive nowadays. And that also opens up the whole world of TikTok ads and advertising. And all you have to do to sync that up is just click connect your TikTok account, and then the shop products will be integrated. The same applies over here with Google Merchant Center, which you can also set up at, I believe, merchant.google.com is the domain. So I also 100% recommend you do this immediately. And then Facebook and Instagram also have embedded products. In my opinion though, Google and then TikTok are going to be the big two that you want to set up initially. And then finally, we can see the analytics tab right here, and under dashboards, we can see for the store we just set up, right? Sessions, orders, customers, sales, and then a lot of other valuable analytics like refer, top 20 products by sales, and so on. With that in mind, I want to take one moment to compare Genstore to something like Lovable, which you may be familiar with. Lovable is a general purpose web app builder, and it's incredibly powerful and useful if you want a custom build or some kind of integration. But the difference, going back to just how models are trained and what they're good at, is just that it doesn't specialize in e-commerce. And you see the same thing here for a lot of the bespoke programmers or AI kind of website builders out there. And so Genstore is similar, right? But purpose built for the e-commerce world and applications with a lot of that ecosystem that's required just rolled into the AI tool. So if you want a custom app or a unique web experience, right, something like Lovable is awesome. If you want to accelerate the e-commerce process and get a lot of the heavy lifting done with AI, then Genstore is the way to go. So guys, if you're serious about launching an e-commerce business, and this is whether it's your first store or your 10th, right? This is a new world we're in with AI and e-commerce and marketing for e-commerce. And so give this a spin. You can go from idea to actual execution, product selection, and an entire store and ecosystem set up and integrated in the same day with the natural language prompting. And right now, Genstore has a special promotional offer for viewers of this channel, so you can click the link in the description if you want to support the channel and give Genstore a spin as well. And that is a risk-free trial, right? So completely free to try it. And so you can generate a store, you can use AI product selection, see the payment integration, and make sure you love all of it before you ever wanted to potentially upgrade your plan. So click the link in the description, get that free trial, again, completely risk-free, to just give it a test drive. And there you go. Again, I think we're at a really cool point where you're starting to see a lot of these AI applications stack on top of the models for specialized markets like that of e-commerce professionals and entrepreneurs. I think it's going to be cool to see what people create, and I'm looking forward to see a lot more of this type of thing and stores made by platforms like Genstore. With that in mind, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.